Hello my friends, welcome back, and inside this video we are going to create the favicon. Now what exactly is the favicon? If you can notice in here on this tab, this green icon in here will be the favicon, and you can see that one in here, this Joomla icon will be the favicon. However, the favicon inside our Joomla template is not displaying. That's why you cannot see anything in here. So first of all, in order for you to start using the favicon, you will need to create the image. And we are going to be using this image on this example. If you want to use this image commercially, you will need to buy it. Otherwise, you can follow the same instructions that I am going to show you so you can practice. Down below this video, you are going to be able to see download hand icon. And you are going to get transferred to this page. Now when you get here, you are going to right click and view image. Again, this image will be only used for educational purposes, and that's why it is going to have the watermark from the company Fotolia. Let's right click, save image as, because we are going to create a favicon from that image. Let's click save. You know what, let's change the name in here, hand, click save. Then we are going to go to our desktop and open that image inside our Fireworks software. So let's double click in there, and there we are. The next step will be, of course, reduce the size. We are going to actually click in here inside the crop tool, and we are going to make a selection in here. Right now, if you notice down here will be the dimensions, the width and the height. We are going to change the width to 320 right there. Now we are going to center a little bit. There we are. Double click, and there you are. And now we are going to click on the eraser tool, and down here we are going to eliminate this shadow. Let's click in here on the magic wand tool. Now we are going to click outside the image. Then inside your keyboard you are going to click delete, or you can also go to edit and cut. There you are. We are going to click again on the magic wand and click one more time outside the image so we can eliminate all the dash border. Let's click in there, and there we are. Now let's go to pointer, and the next step will be, of course, reducing the size, the canvas size, to 16 pixels by 16 pixels. And in order for you to do that, you will need to go to modify, canvas, and image size. In there you are going to select 16 pixels, and automatically you are going to reduce the height down here. Let's click OK, and there you are. That will be the new favicon that we are going to create. Now we are going to click on second up, and inside here, inside the optimize and align. Now if you don't see this box, you can go to Windows and click on optimize. You can click in there, or you can go back and click again. Then you are going to select the JPEG. You are going to click in there and select PNG, and down here you are going to select alpha transparency. There you are. Finally, we are going to save this new image. Let's go to file and export, and inside here we are going to give the name favicon, then click save, and we are going to go to our FileZilla. Let's go in here, and again we are going to connect to our Joomla website, and you can choose any connection you have. Let's click OK, then go to the public HTML, and down here you are going to find the folder where you have your Joomla root files. In my case, I will continue working on my Joomla 25 folder. Let's go in there, and down here we are going to find the template, CMS Teachings, and we are going to upload the new favicon. Let's go in here. Now you are not going to be able to see the favicon right away because you will need to refresh your computer. Well, in this case, the left part of your FileZilla software. And how you can do that? Well, you can click on any folder, double click, and then you are going to go back, click in here. And now if you scroll down, you are going to be able to see the favicon in here. Before uploading this favicon, you will need to change the extension. And how you can do that? You are going to right click and then rename, and change the PNG to ICO, and that will be ICO. Click enter, and now you are going to have an ICO file. Right click, upload. There you are. The next step will be, of course, save this favicon inside your Joomla template on your computer. Let's right click on that favicon, right click and then copy. Now we are going to go to our CMS teachings folder that we just create, right click and paste. So we can actually save the favicon inside our computer and also inside the server. The next step is to make sure that everything went right. So you are going to go back to your Firefox and click refresh. Now notice up here, if you see the hand, you have done everything right. Let's click refresh, and there you are. You have finished your Favicon installation. Now for those who don't have the Fireworks software, well, you can actually go in here and type on Google. I will give you the general idea. You can type Favicon generator, and you are going to have several options. Normally I don't do this because I have the Adobe Fireworks software, but what I can recommend you is a website called favicon.cc. If you click there, you are going to be able to create any favicon you want, but you can also check the dynamic drive and favicon generator and all these results down here. Let's click on favicon.cc, and inside here you are going to be able to see the tools that are going to be available for you. Now let's click on import image, and inside here you are going to click on browse and then select the large image that you just download. Let's click open. Then we are going to select keep dimensions. Next, click on upload. And there you are. That will be your new favicon. Now of course it won't be really that great, but at least you are going to be able to see the preview down here, and if you like it, you can click download favicon and get the new favicon. So my friends, these are going to be the two options that you are going to be able to use, and for this video, that will be it.